So that opened my eyes. Wow, there's so much to learn. There's so much, things to do. So that's what I appreciated everything more.
So it's the learning experience, not the attention, and not also that part that you get to play a different person you are.
Attention like the fame.
The adulation.
The attention.
Okay, like when the learning, that's one thing, diba? You learn like Jack Stada when I was making Xero, diba? When he's so astig. So you want to learn things like that, you want to learn how that works, diba? And like when you look at the screen, like a playback or something, and then sobrang kung mabasa mo sa script, sobrang madali lang yung eksena, pero nung in-execute nila, sobrang iba. Ano naman ginawa yun, diba? Sobrang maraming continuous, basta maraming mga ulit na bagay na makes a difference. So you get so interested in how you do it. So you start going workshops, you start taking it more seriously, you start experimenting, you start asking the director more. Diba? So from working with Matt, it really opened my eyes. And then I did Paraíso, that's what I really enjoyed it because it's outdoors. It was parang my element, outdoors, water, so I really enjoyed it. Yeah, so I really enjoyed it. So what I learned in life, the project is very, very important to love what you're doing. Kahit na pagod ka, puyat ka, kapag pumunta ka sa set, enjoy mo talaga enjoy mo yung environment yun, and then Saturday night shows, that's when I really enjoyed it. But you just enjoy it, you love what you're doing. Every day you go to the set, you love it. You love talking to the director, you love making talaguhan with your co-stars. Yeah. Does that make sense, ma'am?
Oh, no.
Ang seryoso?
Sa hiya.
Ang seryoso.
Isa tayo dun sa hiya. If I'm going to write about you, nag-umpisa dun sa hiya, you were trying to overcome your fear, not knowing you got interested also in exploring all these facets. And it's also a factor. By the way, you spoke today, pinapalog yung sarili na you're criticizing yourself.
Yeah. And also like what you said, it's so nice to play different people, It's so nice. And one of my dream was, but I don't know if they're making do it, it's like a baliw person, like he's very nice in front of you, but like he's crazy when the lights are off, diba? Like he'll kill somebody, parang gano'n ba? So, diba? Parang he in front of you, he's just, hey, how are you? Like me, with Mateo, like, how are you? What's up? But you just don't know, like, when you're not looking. Parang gano'n ba? Diba? So that's one of my dreams. And then just to play different people, play things you can't be in real life, diba? Yeah, explore the human. Because people are so different, and there's so many crazy people out there, and it's so nice to play them.
Are you also going to go to that part where you want to create your own directing and producing films?
I don't know. We'll see in the future. Not yet. Usually we have ideas all the time. I always tell my friends, dude, we should make a film like this and that. We'll concentrate first. Kaya gawa muna tayo ng credibility sa acting ko,
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Guys, last few questions na kasi kailangan hugutin.
Yeah, so hugot pa rin na. Now, after all these years na you've somehow proven your acting mental naman because you've been recognized. What can you say to Mateo now?
Nox.
Now?
Yes.
Kasi, malayo ko sa totoo, diba? I never stop, diba? It's still a long way to go, and I believe, it's still a long way to go. My parents always say, Mateo, you're doing good, it's okay na, it's a long way to go. I'm like still not yet, but I just keep learning, keep working, surround yourself with crazy, amazing people, diba? So yeah. So, marami pa. I still want to do many. I have so many dreams, I have so many things to do. So yeah.
Okay. You mentioned, You mentioned kasi na you did theater the last time, and I've even seen a video featuring you and Julia Abueva. Julia is now in this cycle.
Yes.
Do you have any intentions of watching her in London, and how does it feel for that Julia has niched that particular role?
It's really cool. That's what she wanted nung dati. Parang ilang taong ba siya? 18 ba siya ngayon? Or something. kung 16 ba na magkilala na kami at wala, kumakanta kami sa bahay, gano'n, everything, and then it was her dream, talaga, to be like Lea Salonga, she would always tell me, oh, that's my thing, I'm so happy for her, she's there, it's like a dream come true, and of course, I really want to watch also Rachel Anko, I really want to watch, baka I'll never reach something like that, but you know, I want to do something locally eventually, so,
Looking forward to that.
Thank you,
Mateo, you know that you're so focused with your acting career right now. But aside from acting, what else keeps you busy as outside showbiz? And do you still have time for other activities?
Of course, you know, I always believe, and I also share this to Sarah also. I just share it there to everybody that it's very important to have an outlet, even in work.
Yes.
Even whatever work you are, it's very important to have an outlet in doing things. You can't just beat shows every day. You know, for me, you can't just do every day. You go crazy one time, or you get lost in this world. So for me naman, what I believe in, I do this, but I have an outlet like triathlon. I'm telling her, she has to have an outlet. She has whatever it is, dance class, workout, whatever naman, right? So whatever. So you have to have an outlet to do other things, diba? So yun.
So basically, sports activities.
Yeah, sports activities.
Thank you.
Thank you, yeah.
Okay na.
Okay, picture na.
Okay, thank you.
Ayan, picture na lang daw po sila. Pero pwede mo pa ba?
Sa lahat
Sa lahat.
Game na.
Ready?
Go.
Hey guys, this is Mateo Guricelli. What's up, internet world? I'm inviting everybody to watch Somebody to Love, August 20. Our premieres August 19, and then Mega Mall Cinema 9. But you guys can watch August 20, 21, 22, and so on. Somebody to Love, directed by Jose Virez, direct Joey. I'm with a lot of pretty people, beautiful people, and I hope you guys can watch because everybody needs somebody to love, and you're gonna learn a lot in this film and relate and fall in love. Sana. God bless, guys. Hope you guys watch. Thank you.
Picture.
Go, Angeline.
Ay, ano yung role mo dito sa...
Pakilala ka muna.
Ikaw na lang pakilala.
Hi, Bedalyn po. Ask ko lang yung role mo dito sa movie and kung first time mo to dito sa Regal.
Hi. Third time dito sa Regal. Actually, nag-aswang na ako and I did Shake Atlan Road. So, third time na. Yung role